Stop. If you are learning English but still can't speak confidently, this video will change the way you think because the problem is not your grammar, it's something else. Hello everyone, my name is Rehan and today we are going to talk about the real reason why you can't speak English confidently and how to fix it step by step. Let me ask you something. Have you ever been in a situation where you knew what to say but you didn't say it? You stayed silent because in your mind, what if I make a mistake? What will people think? What if they laugh at me? And in that moment, you said nothing. If this is you, you are not alone. And here's the truth, you don't have an English problem, you have a confidence problem. Most people think I can't speak because my grammar is weak, but that's not true. The real problem is fear. Fear of mistakes, fear of judgment, fear of sounding wrong. And this fear stops you from even trying. Listen carefully. Confidence doesn't come first, confidence comes after action. You don't become confident and then speak. You speak and then you become confident. Let me tell you something real. I was exactly like you. I knew some English, I understood grammar, but when it came to speaking, I froze. I used to think, is this sentence correct? Am I using the right tense? And because of this, I spoke slowly. I got stuck. Sometimes I didn't speak at all. Then one day I realized something simple. If I don't speak, I will never improve. Not with grammar, not with videos, not with anything. So I made a decision. I will speak even if I make mistakes. In the beginning, it was uncomfortable. I made mistakes, but I didn't stop. I kept going, and slowly my fear started disappearing and my confidence started growing. So, today I'm going to talk about some serious steps. If you follow these steps, you can improve your fluency much better. Let's talk about step number one, accept mistakes. If you're afraid of mistakes, you will never speak. Simple. Mistakes are not your enemy, they are your teachers. If you make mistakes, then you understand what you need to improve. So, mistakes are the part of learning English. Let's move on to step number two, start small. Don't try to impress people, start small, such as I'm learning English, I'm trying. That's enough. You don't need to put pressure on yourself to learn advanced English. Try to start small. If you learn these things, you will speak naturally. Let's move on to step number three, speak daily. Don't just watch videos, speak every single day, even alone, because speaking is a skill and skills need practice. If you really want to improve your fluency and communication skills, then you have to speak because speaking is one of the important parts of learning English. The more you speak, the more you learn. Many learners understand grammar very well, but they don't speak because they don't practice speaking. You have to practice. If you really want to improve your English, then understand one thing, if you don't speak, you will not improve. Let's move into step number four. Stop comparing. Stop looking at others. Look at yourself. Yesterday versus today. That's your competition. If you focus on other people's, then you will not improve. You need to focus on yourself. What you need to improve. How you can improve your fluency. How can you speak naturally. So focus on yourself instead of focusing on others. Let's talk about step number five, change your mindset. Don't say, I can't speak English. Say, I can do this. I can become a fluent and confident speaker. You need the mindset to improve your fluency. You need to show perseverance to become a confident speaker. If you don't have a great mindset, then you can't improve your fluency and communication skills. So change your mindset. Let's talk about step number six, Safe practice. If you feel scared, start small. Speak alone. Speak with friends. Build confidence step by step. If you are afraid of speaking in front of someone, then you can use online applications. I'm going to share a website. It is called Free for Talk. It's a very good platform for improving communication skills and building confidence. Use this website every day to improve your fluency and English. Let's talk about step number 7. Celebrate wins. Spoke one sentence? Good. That's progress. Don't wait to be perfect. If you speak well, then try to speak another sentence and try to improve. This will definitely help you to become a fluent and confident speaker. Now, do this with me. Say it loudly. I'm learning. I'm improving. I'm not afraid. Again. And feel it. Now, it's time to end this video. So, I'm going to say one thing. You don't need confidence to start, you need courage. Start speaking, make mistakes, keep going, and one day you will realize you are speaking confidently. So, if this video helped you, like this video, share it, and comment below what stops you from speaking English. I read every comment. See you in the next video.